You're going away for a long time, Gary. I mean, Larry. Maybe Carrie. I don't know. Is it broken?
The watch they give for promotions to lieutenant. The killer is a cop.
The killer's Blake. Alright, I'm guessing that's all for you. Tire tracks.
Looks like the killer is a cop. Carter Blake.
I was joking.
That would explain the
No.
dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
No. Investigate father. Get all this shit out of here. Give me the files. Give me the geoanalyze the fuck out of this. Nothing. Wait, what about actually the kids? That'll be something, right? Geoanalyze. That's gotta help, right? Okay. That did not help, apparently. Alright, back to the dude, get this shit out of here. Give me the map. On the map. What? No. Give me the map. Okay, I guess that's just there. Alright, give me the files again, I guess. Sure hope there's not something I'm missing in this stupid-ass video. Analyze.
The killer is white, age between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
Okay, what about just open? Okay. Analyze.
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Alright, what about just open? Okay. Get this shit out of here then, I guess. Back to the clues. Killer was a cop. Can I analyze this? Geoanalyze? Cops in that area? We've got him.
A cop. There's only one cop in that
shit.
geoprofiling zone. Gotcha.
Well, who is it?
He owns a warehouse on the docks. If I'm wrong, Sean Mars is dead.
Oh, well, I took way longer than I should have. Oops. Wow, I could have done that in like half the time that I did. I'm pretty sure I got the bad ending for him now. There goes that FBI agent, Norman Jaden. He doesn't have a gold watch like me.
Let me stay with you, Scott. I don't want to go.
Look, it'll only take a couple of days. Long enough to get this resolved.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the
I
only
am
way.
your son's killer.
Trust me. Now go stay with your mother for a few days, and I'll come and get you when this is all over.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Me.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise.
It is him, right? Whoa, are they involved like romantically? Like a rom-com? That's kind of weird. That's a little weird. That's pretty weird. Not as weird as that jacket. What the fuck was that? She looked like Momo or whatever. Oh my god, what is this? We're jumping all over the place.
I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry. I think the water's rising. I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
Didn't we already do this again? Fast.
Need to get help fast. John's gonna drown. John's gonna drown.
Quick, hop up in this whip.
Dad, I've gotta get Dad. He's the only one who can save John. Gotta move. Gotta find someone. The water's still rising.
Am I
John
going
won't
the
be
right
able to hang on
way?
for long.
Oh god, not this stupid fucking...
Mom's work is too far away. I'd never make it in time.
Hey, your kid is drowning.
Dad, it's John. He found your bike.
Ah,
He's
get out of
drowning.
here, you little pest. Leave me
You
alone.
gotta come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did
die,
I
Dad.
tell you?
Damn, this got steep.
Crap!
I think we can all relate to this.
Please, Dad. You've got to save John.
My dad, too, was a serial killer or something. I
I
don't know.
tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please.
So wait, what's the issue here? His foot is caught or something?
Don't forget.
Is he
about
dying of
this life.
hypothermia? What? How did he die? That's gotta be hypothermia, right? Because he's not under the water. What? Alright, maybe he did drown in that and I'm just different. Because me personally, even if I had his exact body shape, I would live. I don't know, maybe I'm just different. Because look, yeah, you're sort of under the water, but not like all the way. I don't know, maybe it's just a personal thing. Maybe I'm just different.